Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV, and today we're going to show you this Attitude made by Eclipse. So it's the 2814 SS. Attitude, they only build toy haulers. Very unique floor plan, really impressive. This is one of the nicest ones. As you can tell, it's a kind of unique look to it, from the colors to the power awning, nice windows from the outside. The 2814 SS is an open floor plan. Let's walk in and show you more. Welcome home. Yes, as you can see, lots of counter space. Most toy haulers lack that. Really nice touches here with some storage on top. Okay, you got your big microwave here, convection oven. You got a really nice stovetop, 3 burners with an oven also, so you can do maybe a little pizza in here. Nice big fridge, look at that. You can see through, and it is big enough for a good sized family. Okay, nice. All the wood, the trim, all that is real wood, good stuff. Really nice touches here when it comes to this. This is a scissors out for to a bed. It's a slide out, as you can see. Over here you got 2 more couches, folks, look at that, and a bed on top. And everybody got their own connections, from their lights to USB ports, so you got double. Really nice cabinets. These are very sturdy, very strong. It's something you can really hang on, nothing, no rattles. Nice touches here with the chairs, look at that. Very nice. You can converse, you can visit. Of course, you got your tie downs, and the Attitude, they can go into the chassis, so no more, there is no, like, that shake when you get over a bump. Really nice outside, like fencing or enclosure, if you have kids, maybe pets, you can hang out there. Let's go to the bedroom and show you a couple of things also. As we go in here, the bathroom is really stylish, nice bathroom. It got the Vegas look in a way, Lots of storage also. Look at this big, huge closet, folks. I like that touch on the sink here with the stainless steel. That's pretty cool. As we walk in here into the bedroom, it's an actual walk-around bed, which is unique. Usually there ain't much room in here. As you can see, the slide also over here, that's a big closet. Look at this. I mean, enough. There ain't enough storage, right? This guy got it all. As we go out this way, we're gonna go down here to go to the living room. We're gonna go outside and show you more stuff. Attitude is unique really in this industry. Really nice wheels and tires. Those are rated very heavy. As we go up here, this is your ramp, that's your door, of course, with LED lights on top. As we go around here, this right here, probably the nicest slide system. Fueling station, of course, right there for your toys. That's the slide out right here, the nice one. Then we got an outside shower, and that's the slide that was all closet, if you remember, up there. Okay, look at this here with magnets. A nice finished basement. There's your ladder for your beds inside. Really cool stuff. Again, there's a lot to talk about on this rig. Please give me a call. My name is Dib, 541-515-1237. Thank you.